so I got the lynx, aka the honey badger, and Modern Warfare Remastered, and I'm gonna show you my first clip ever with it. I got helicopter, first time ever using it. You see that guy run up? I knew he was there, so got him, and there's two more over there. Got him. Got him. Reloaded. Got that guy. And there's another one in front of me. Got him. Okay, I was just hit marker with a grenade. Got him. Got him. Helicopter just like that. That easy. Like, I love this gun. Now, I kept getting kills too. Like, literally, that was probably one of the easiest helicopters ever. That's why I love this gun so much. Hope you all like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.